Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is the first video documenting how I upload and optimize these blog posts. So basically, I am uploading it at the moment to WordPress. I have got this copy with plenty of notes in my Google Docs, and I'm uploading it point by point, saving it. And there we go, and this is a very rough copy. So you see it has got basic h tags at the moment, so I optimize the content as I go, so all the internal links, external links are being included. I create videos and screen recordings to support the content and upload them right away. So this is what I'm doing at the moment. So hashtags, images, videos, internal and external links. And what I did, because this post is quite long. It has got 43, I think 43, I think it will end up having 42 points because I merged 2 points together. So I upload 10 points on one page and then add a button. It is not optimized yet. Add the button at the very bottom of the page saying you have to click to continue reading the rest of the page. And this is done not only to obviously speed up the page loading, the blog post loading, also to obviously improve the dwell time, so people click on more than one page, which improves SEO, and also the pages per session. So this is how many pages people view per session. And obviously the bounce rate. So the bounce rate will be a little bit lower because people will be viewing more than one page. So this is what I'm doing at the moment. I have started uploading this blog post yesterday. I probably will be doing it for next few days because it takes a little bit longer than I thought. But I will create a new video as soon as I will start doing something different than what I'm doing right now. So I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.